This might be our storm of the day, folks. Notice how it's very isolated and check out that V-notch as well, almost a corkscrew. That's a sign that our updraft is intensifying. Okay, so we have a tornado warning. A new tornado warning for portions of Lenawee, Washtenaw, and Monroe counties. This includes Milan,
Northwestern
London,
Monroe County in
Oakland.
southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Britain, moving north.